Hey everyone, if you've been feeling stuck and want to completely upgrade your life, you don't need a massive, evasive, overnight miracle, because real transformation actually comes down to small daily habits that compound over time. Today we're breaking down 50 powerful habits across mindset, productivity, health, wealth, and relationships to help you level up. 1. Do any task that takes under 2 minutes immediately. 2. Write down your thoughts in a daily brain dump before bed. 3. Spend 10 minutes in complete silence every day. 4. Focus only on things within your direct control. 5. Avoid checking your phone for the first 30 minutes of the day. 6. Write down 3 small wins at the end of each day. 7. Read 10 pages of a personal development book daily. 8. Reframe challenges as lessons rather than obstacles. 9. Practice active listening instead of just waiting to speak. 10. Guard your time by saying no to unimportant requests. 11. Plan your top 3 priorities for tomorrow, tonight. 12. Eat the frog by tackling your hardest task first thing. 13. Use time blocking to schedule your entire workday. 14. Focus on single tasking and close unnecessary tabs. 15. Spend 3 minutes clearing off your desk every evening. 16. Turn off all non-human phone notifications. 17. Work and focus 25-minute blocks using the Pomodoro technique. 18. Keep a done list alongside your to-do list. 19. Ask your peers or mentors for direct, honest feedback. 20. Track how you spend your time for 1 full week. 21. Drink a full glass of water right when you wake up. 22. Protect your eyes by looking away from screens every 20 minutes. 23. Go for a 15-minute walk every single day. 24. Stick to a consistent sleep and wake-up schedule. 25. Spend 5 minutes stretching your body daily. 26. Prioritize eating whole, single-ingredient foods. 27. Park further away to get extra steps in. 28. Keep your bedroom completely screen-free. 29. Keep healthy, prepped snacks visible in your kitchen. 30. Take 5 deep, slow belly breaths when stressed. 31. Use the 24-hour rule before buying non-essentials. 32. Log every single expense daily to track your cash flow. 33. Pay yourself first by automating your savings on payday. 34. Review and cancel unused subscriptions every month. 35. Never go shopping without a strict, pre-written list. 36. Put your fixed bills on automatic payment. 37. Read 1 personal finance book to understand basic investing. 38. Unsubscribe from promotional retail emails. 39. Build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of expenses. 40. Calculate purchases in hours of work instead of dollars. 41. Send 1 genuine thank you text to someone daily. 42. Keep phones completely off the table during meals. 43. Say a person's name back to them when meeting for the first time. 44. Keep your promises to build deep trust with others. 45. Reach out to a friend just to check in with no agenda. 46. Be the loudest cheerleader for other people's success. 47. Address personal conflicts early before they turn into resentment. 48. Apologize sincerely without making excuses when you make a mistake. 49. Schedule regular quality time with your family and close friends. 50. Set kind but firm boundaries to protect your personal peace. But remember, the biggest mistake you can make is trying to change everything at once and burning yourself out. So I want you to pick just 2 of these habits to start with today. Master them and build from there, so let me know in the comments which 2 you're going to try first. Smash that like button. If this helps, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.